What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Pro YouTube channel. I want to make a quick video about rich uncles. And rich uncles, I don't know if they went completely out of business, but I lost all of my money with them. And it wasn't much, but you have to be careful when you have REITs or money in the crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, I believe peer lending, things like that. And I also have REITs with Fidelity, but I would rather trust Fidelity over companies like Rich Uncles. I believe Rich Uncles changed their name as well, but you can Google. I'm going to place a couple articles below the video description. So Rich Uncles dealt with a lot of commercial property, which, if you don't know what REITs are, that's real estate investment. Like REITs, you can put money in there every week and you get dividends off of it. They were paying dividends. They stopped that at first. Then months later, all of these companies filed bankruptcy because of COVID-19. So when they filed bankruptcy, everything went downhill. We lost, I don't know if anyone else lost money like that. They didn't take their money out, but I lost all of my money in that company, which was not much, trust me, because a platform like that, when I read the guidelines, your money was not insured, or, it wasn't a guarantee that you were going to get money off of that anyway. So I didn't have much in it, but I own REITs and Fidelity, and I still have them now, even with the pandemic going on. So I don't know if you guys are invested in Fundrise, but please comment below. Please subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about that. Do you have Fundrise? Do you have money in REITs with them? I know with Fundrise it's $500 to get in. With Rich Uncles, it didn't cost that much to get in, but these companies, like gym companies and other commercial properties, filed bankruptcy when this virus hit. So I think Fundrise invests more into like apartment buildings and different housing units like that. I know they probably do have other businesses, but you cannot have all your money in one basket. That's dealing with anything. So lesson learned from that. Lesson learned when you're dealing with these companies that doesn't insure your money as well. I have to look more into the terms of Fundrise, but I'm pretty sure they're still around. I haven't seen any bankruptcy articles on them as well. But Rich Uncles, I lost my money in that. I just wanted to put that on YouTube, and you guys, please read the fine print. Read the fine print when you're investing and looking at. But it wasn't that much money. It was, I don't want to say how much, but it wasn't that much. It wasn't enough that I can go crazy over or something like that. But you guys, be careful when you're investing your money out here. And if you need to, get a lawyer to read over the contract. So see you guys next time. Let me know, do you have Fundrise? And rest in peace, Chadwick Boseman. Wakanda forever. I love that movie. My kids loved it. See you guys next time.